All right, so I got this wood ceiling fan today. These are really nice. I like them. They're wood, solid wood. So these are fans, 3 blades. You got this, the extension, the motor, 2 different extensions, the cover, the remote control, and the mount for the remote control on the wall. You got this right here, this cover, this bracket. This is for the remote control. So you connect the motor to this side, and then you got a power cord which you connect on this side, and this is where you connect the power. You got screws and another bag of screws that my daughter grabbed. So let's set this up. This is everything that comes with it. So first you install the mount. If you have a cement ceiling, you have the screws to do that. If it's a regular ceiling, you have the regular screws here. So first you put the blades with the bracket to line them up. And then we're gonna put this to the motor. Important step, make sure you turn off the breaker. So I'm working on the loft on the 2nd floor. So I'm gonna turn this off.
You missed out again, bro. You missed out on the super rating.
Alright, once you put the fan in, just put this little piece in here. So make sure when you put this on, these screws are a little loose, so you can put this cap on. And just turn it, tighten them, and slip this back on. And there we go. We have a fan. Let's turn it on, show you how it looks. So there we go. Look at this beautiful fan. It has a remote control. That's setting number 1. So let's go setting number 2. Make it a little bit faster. To setting number 5. Oh yeah, you could hear the difference. Feel the wind. There you go. Ceiling fan with the wood blades. The wood blades are really nice. I feel the air. Let's turn it off. Look at that. And it's solid wood, but the woods are not too heavy. There you go. Look at that, how nice it looks.